Welcome to Quick Literature Academy. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more literature videos. Round and Round by Vikram Seth. Summary. Vikram Seth is an Indian novelist and poet. He has contributed greatly to the Indian English language poetry canon. He has been awarded with the Padma Shri, Sahitya Academy Award, W. H. Smith Literary Award, Pravasi Bharatiya Samman, etc. Round and Round is a short poem about a traveler. He had a stressful day-long air flight. He is waiting at the baggage claim area to collect his suitcase. He keeps looking at the carousel go round and round with a lot of luggage. Suddenly, he notices a small red round suitcase and gets excited. He thinks he knows the owner of this red suitcase. Although he has not seen her during the last 7 years, he is thrilled at the chance of just meeting her after all these years. He is lost in sweet thoughts about her, but his happiness and expectations are short-lived as an unknown old man steps forward and claims the red suitcase. The speaker sadly claims his own baggage and leaves. This is a brief experience of the speaker. The title is apt as it describes his feelings which change quickly, from a long boredom to a quick excitement, a strong anticipation, and a final disappointment. There is a lot of simplicity found in this poem, and there is no use of heavy symbolism. Thanks for watching.